Sure. My name is Nino Marakovic. I'm the founder and CEO of Sapphire Ventures. We're a specialized technology investment firm focused on growth technology companies. The bulk of our 10 billion of AUM is focused on making direct enterprise software investments. We've got about 100 professionals across the US and Europe, and we've been executing the same strategy for over a dozen years. In terms of sectors of interest, we believe that the fundamental driving trends within enterprise software are those of cloud adoption and digital transformation of large companies. And we think while those will be affected by the slowdown, they will be unaffected in terms of their importance and their overall size and bulk. And so we're actually quite excited about continuing to invest against those key trends within enterprise software. And of course, as a firm, are also quite intrigued with blockchain. Despite the recent correction, we think there is some real interest in that as a potential underlying infrastructure technology for future enterprise application companies. In terms of lessons learned from prior market corrections, I think there are many, and of course, none are exactly the same, but there are parallels that one can take away. I do think that the market will refocus or has refocused on efficient growth versus pure growth. I actually think that is very healthy. I do think this correction is going to be more painful and longer lasting than the flash crash in 2008 and 2009. But I do think that the underlying companies are stronger than they were during the internet bubble. So I think it's not going to be quite as bad as during the internet bubble. Nevertheless, I think it is going to be a serious digestion because the excesses of 20 and 21 were meaningful, and so it'll be a little bit of a harder time than most industry participants expect. But I think we'll come out stronger at the end, and I look forward to the next 10 years being some of the best adventure ever. Well, I'm a 25-year veteran of the venture capital industry, so venture is very near and dear to my heart, and in particular enterprise software is a space that I've been focused on and my firm's been focused on for the last 15 years. So I'm always interested in talking about the innovation trends in enterprise software.